about today is restoration. After financial loss, after heartbreaking failure, after losing our health, after losing family, we think everything is finished. God made you go through all the problems to show that He is carrying you in midst of them. We see Moses lost everything, but God restored. Jacob lost everything. God restored. Samson lost everything. God restored. 38 years old man was crippled. God restored. God says He is going to restore all days failure, loss, days of doubt, days of tears. Failure is the stepping stone for success. God will never let you down. God bless you.